Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use status bar statistics, or how to add statistics into status bar, as well as how to use it as a shortcut and for a fast calculations. Okay, for the first look of the calculations probably. Okay, I have the data here, and you have where the status bar, it is here. The ready bar is the status bar. You can see it in the screen. This is the status bar. Okay, so every time when you go here, do something, the status is shown there. Okay, what happens here, you go here, most of the time I go to the quarter 3, this is the number, so I just select, then quarter 3. You can see here two things appearing. Some of the because I put only the average and sum, it appears sum and average. Some of them may have a count. Okay, you see the shortcut, you are not asking anything, just is showing the sum of the whole quarter 3. Okay, and the average. Okay, the average of selected cells. For example, now I select these two. You can see it added the sum 1055. Here you can see 1020 plus 35, and also the average of it. You can select even for a block. You can see the sum and the average. So whenever you select something, it is showing the sum and the average of that here. Okay, so now how to use this statistics, or how to add more statistics into status bar. Okay, what you need to do is, you can go here and click on the status bar. You right click on the status bar, you can see what all the things are available in the status bar. Okay, you can also do the some recording, macro recording, and selection mode, all those stuff, page numbers and others. The statistics part is here. Okay, so you have average, count, numerical count, minimum, maximum, and sum. Now in this selection, I selected only the average and sum. That's why you are seeing only the average and sum. Okay, you don't see any other statistics. Okay, how to add a new statistics to that? You can just go here and right click. Okay, I want count also. Once you press count, you can see the count to how many you selected. Count to, you can see the number of records here. When you select the column 278, I select only the 3 records, it's 3. Okay, this is the way my selection is 6, count is 6. But when it comes to selection, you can numerical numbers, then you can see the average and sum. Okay, this way you can add a new statistics. I add a numerical count, a minimum, maximum, everything. Okay, now you can see it's a lot of statistics here, minimum as well as the maximum also it includes. So this way you can include statistics functionality into the status bar, and the status bar will display it even without using the function and formulas in your Excel worksheet. You can straight away see what is the sum, count, numerical count, minimum, maximum, and the average. Okay, this kind of statistics you can use it in the status bar. Okay, so I hope this video is, and also you don't want any statistics, so you can also remove the statistics by uncheck and tick it. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you, how to add statistics into the status bar. If you like my videos, just subscribe to my channel, and also you leave your comments and suggestions. And if you want to work out some specific problem of yours, just leave it there. Then either myself or other commenters will may help you to solve those problems. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and God bless you.